Temu affiliate program, Temu tutorial step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Temu affiliate program and on step by step. So if you're looking for a real way to make money online in 2025, then the Temu affiliate program might just be your best bet. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to sign up, how to start promoting, and how to earn commissions. Even if you have zero followers, whether you are a content creator, student, or just want a side hustle, in this guide in beginner friendly and fully updated for 2025. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you something about Temu affiliate program. So Temu is a fast-growing e-commerce platform offering ultra-affordable products, and they have launched a very beginner-friendly affiliate program. Here's how it works. So you will get paid for referring a new user or shoppers to Temu. You can earn up to 20%. You can earn up to $20 per sign up or commission on purchases. So also works worldwide. All tools are free, no cost to join. Great for influencers, YouTubers, TikTokers, bloggers, or anyone with an audience. So let me show you how to sign up. So first of all, you have to open a web browser and search for Temu. Uh, or you can just search for affiliate.temu.com and you have to just click on enter, or you can just click on Temu affiliate. And as you can here can see www.temu.com affiliate program. You can just click here, and after that you can just click on get started from here. Okay, I'll get that later. You have to just give your email here, and after that you have to just click on continue. You have to give a password. Let's just register, and after sign up with your email or social account, you have to fill your details. Okay, so after signing up, you can see it will take you directly to the dashboard of your Temu affiliate account, and you can just fill in your details like name, mail, content platform like YouTube, TikTok, YouTube, blog, etc. uh, you have to just click on your profile, and here I can see all orders processing. See your profile, credit balance, addresses, your payment method, account security. You can just click on account security, and you just have to see for account security, and after clicking on here you can see uh, there will be option saying you have to secure your account, and you can just verify your email address first of all. So for that they will provide a code in your email, like here is my code. You have to just select it and copy it from here. You can add your mobile phone number. Your account is protected. So after clicking on verify now, we have to just give the uh, password passcode, and it's already verified. You can also turn on two-factor authentication. You can also log in with your third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, Apple, and all. And once approved, you will get access to the affiliate dashboard. So first of all, you have to grab unique referral links, codes, and banners. So you are officially in now. So let me tell you, there are two ways you can earn commissions from the Temu. So for the first option, it's new user bonus. So when someone signs up through a link or makes their first purchase, you can earn up to $20 or more depending on your region. So here we can see unlimited code. If you click on get for free items, you can just play a game and earn money or commission from here also. And uh, after that, the second option is sales commission. You can also earn a percentage of every sale made through your link. Temu often runs double commission promos, boosting your payouts. All earnings are shown in your dashboard and can be withdrawn via PayPal or bank transfer. So uh, let me tell you how you can promote Temu links. So you don't need a huge following. Here are real strategies that work. You can uh, pro promote the product link or uh, a product unboxing video uh, and upload it to your YouTube shorts. Like you are making a video on unboxing this product. Unboxing this product, you have just a physically have this product and you just unboxing it on 60 seconds. You can make a short and you can just upload it on YouTube, and you can just provide your affiliate link down below, and after anyone purchases from your by clicking on your link, you will get a commission. And you can also uh, do it with TikTok, like Temu haul or hidden gems under $5. You can just create videos naming them Temu haul or hidden gems under $5, and you can just make the videos for TikTok. And you can also style or gadget reviews, like you can also select a niche, which type of product you want to affiliate, and you just can make videos like 60 seconds or more on Instagram reels and upload it and share a link down of your affiliate. And after that, you can also post on Pinterest pins. You can add links to trending Temu finds, and whenever a person clicks on that, you will earn the commission. uh, Clicks and buys on the product, and you get a commission. You can also share your affiliate link to Facebook groups, like share deals in relevant communities or Facebook groups. You can also do blog posting, like top 10 cheap tech gadgets from Temu, and you can just add your affiliate link there, and whenever someone purchases something, you will get the commission automatically. You can also post daily Temu deals with short reviews in Twitter, that is formerly Twitter, now X. And Temu's products go viral easily. You can use that momentum to drive traffic. So let me give you a bonus tip. According to this thing, you can create 2 or 3 or many more, or like 5 videos selecting one product, and you can upload it on YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram reels, and on Pinterest. You can also share it on Facebook reels. You can also use that video on your blog post site, under your blog post or over the blog post. And the same video, you don't have to make each video for each social media handles. So that will be the charm for you, and it will save you so many times, and uh, it will get you the most out of the internet. Like you have created just one video and you have posted in multiple social media handles, and uh, whenever anyone clicks on that product and buys it, you will get the commissions, and it will double your percentage to make a sale from your affiliate link. So after that, you can look for the tools inside the affiliate. Once you log into the affiliate dashboard, like after going to this dashboard, you can see like track clicks, signups or earnings in real time. Like here you can see all orders. You can also click on processing, which products are processing, you can see from here. You can also track which products are shipped, and you can also track the delivered items, and you can also track the returned items and all. You can just click on the item name, or you can just give order ID or tracking number, and you can also uh, look for the items or the order. So you can also create custom links to any Temu product, and you can Also use promo codes to increase conversions. Like if you use my promo or click on this link, you will get 5% discount, 10% discount, and many more like that. You can use that. You can get access to pre-made banners for websites or blogs. You can see top performing products and trends to promote. Like here, as you can see, the best selling items. If you click on that, they'll show you the products they are trending on their website now and hot selling product. And everything is beginner friendly and you don't need a website to get started. And after that, if you want to turn this into real monthly income, you have to start an email list, collect leads from your link in bio. You can use Canva to make products, graphics for Pinterest and Instagram. You can post 1 to 2 shorts from videos daily. Consistency wins. And you can use top 5 products under $5 format in videos. You can also try Reddit threads for organic exposure. Just don't spam. And you can add Temu links to your YouTube descriptions, bio links, and even blocked sidebars. You can just add your Temu links on every platform you are willing to promote your products. So the more value you give with your content, the higher the conversions will be. So let me give you just a bonus tips also. So you can compare Temu versus Amazon products and link both, double commission. You can link the both links together, and that will be a double commission for you. And you can use Temu apps invite friends feature alongside affiliate links. You can make niche specific guides like best Temu finds for dorm rooms or gift under $10. You can join affiliate groups on Facebook or Discord or early promo info. You can try voiceover style videos with here's what I got from Temu this week and how is it's helping me or shortens me my work. And you can use tracking links to split test which content converts best. Temu is investing big in affiliate marketing. This is a huge opportunity right now. So and that's it, your full 2025 guide to making money with the Temu affiliate program. It's easy to join, beginner friendly, and works even if you are never done affiliate. And that's your full walkthrough of the Temu affiliate program in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you want more affiliate tutorials like this, thanks. And uh, don't forget to subscribe on to the channel. And thanks for watching. Now go get those commissions and see you on the next video, guys.